Good afternoon. This is Chef Santa. Excuse the dog, but she's my dog's best friend. She makes too much noise. Anyway, today we're going to have a couple burgers. We're going to have some pepperoni, some zucchini, mushrooms and onions, all sauteed up. And then I got some cheese to melt. This is my tailgater. It's got a gas grill here and a griddle here. And it should be really good. Watch out, Benihana. Perfect day to cook outside here in Georgia. Nice sunny day, a little warm, but we'll see. Burgers were just a little frozen. I love fried pepperoni. Again, I'm doing this with my phone. I haven't gotten my camera hooked up yet. I'm hoping this week to get another lesson on how to use it, and we'll go from there. Take the pepperoni off. I don't want it to be too done. Move the zucchini down here where the little grill's a little hotter. I gotta check this griddle out because it gets hot. Put this all together here, and then I'm going to put a lid on it. Let it steam up a little bit. Cook them burgers nice medium rare. Then I got some fine shredded mozzarella cheese. And that's my girlfriend out there grazing as she normally does. I never seen a dog eat so much grass in my life. Okay, let's start assembling this. We're going to put the zucchini down. Oh, I also got a little bit, just a little bit of salsa on mixed in with the onions and the mushrooms. As you can see it. And we're going to lay the pepperoni in there. And we're going to top it with cheese. I'm going to add the lid. We're going to let that all melt down now. It should only take a minute. I love this griddle. It's got it's leaned forward so all the grease goes down into the drain here. And then you can drain it right out into a grease catcher. And as a lot of you know that I'm going to be going on the road building a bus out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as my cooking stove, because under the griddle here, under this right here, this is a gas grill, as you can see. Well, that gas grill, you can take this whole box up and off, and there's a round eye underneath it, and you can fit a wok on top of that. So all I'm going to need is this to cook with. I can cook pots and pans on this or the wok. And then, like I said, I got the griddle here. All right. How does that look? That looks good to me. With that, as I always say, ho, 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 go keto. God bless y'all.